Hello, everybody. We got to talk about some Bitcoin SV here. Now, I haven't covered this crypto, but it has a very interesting chart that I really want to show you guys. So let's dive right into it, okay? We are on Bitcoin SV on the weekly, and this thing has so many spiky charts. Now, what is very interesting about this, now, if you trade from this perspective, you see a very, very big ramp up, and it makes a massive wick down. You can almost, so far by the charts, it has a really good push down. So shorting this has, if you got that perspective of trading, you would make some really good profits shorting a lot of this crypto. I mean, as it's currently now, like it was at a height of, let's see, $490. Now we're sitting at $48. So we're sitting, like 10% off the top. Like, that's crazy. Let's see where it's going to be going. Now, I like the weekly trends. I like to follow those type of trends, the weekly and the monthly. Check those perspectives out first. But even with this green candle being barely green, like it's either going to be an eagle head-ish pushing down, or it's just going to be a red bar down. And who's telling how far it can go down even now? Like, this lowest bar right here is this green, but it might break the $40 area, especially where it's currently going. And I would say, like, if the best position for this, like, instead of buying, this might be a very good time to short it, since it already took out the buys out of here and the shorts are coming down. This might be a good time to enter on a short position and short this crypto to see how far you can ride this wave. Because many of the cryptos today are in a downtrend, and I'm not a proponent of buying in a downtrending market. I would buy in an uptrending market. Just how it is. Because using like a buy stop or catching the low is not really. It doesn't really happen very often, even for myself. But when I see like a big trend like this, like just waiting it out 1 or 2 weeks on a short position to see how it goes, and most likely it can be very, very good. I mean, I think it's going to be breaking this low maybe next 1 to 2 weeks, and then heading down to a new accumulation zone, maybe a pump up and then back down lower. But I definitely do see this cryptocurrency going lower. But what is your guys' opinion about Bitcoin SV? Do you see it going up? It can be doing something like this and then make an accumulation zone in this area. And then maybe like one of those, pullbacks like this. Pretty big significant one. This is like almost nearly $25 worth. But it might do something like this, back up to these highs, but just to push back down even lower. But I do see this cryptocurrency going lower, guys. I don't see much reason why it wouldn't, until there's got to be like some substantial accumulation areas and then slowly building up towards that, similar to what its past has done. Like this. See how it built up? People take profits, put it back down, accumulate it more, put it back up. Yeah, if I see something like that, then yeah, then the trend might reverse. But as I see it now, I just think it's going to go down lower and lower and lower until it reverses. But that's my thoughts on it, man. Let's get into some other details about what is Bitcoin SV. But it's ranked number 51, 73,000 people's watch list, $48.74. Market cap just under $1 billion, $935 million. Now, what is it, guys? So Bitcoin SV emerged following a hard fork out of Bitcoin Cash, BCH, blockchain in 2018, which had a turn fork from the BTC blockchain a year earlier. The goal of Bitcoin SV is to fulfill the original version of Bitcoin protocol and designed to as described as Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper earlier for Bitcoin, client software known as Satoshi Writings. BSV aims to offer scalability in line with the original description of Bitcoin as a peer-to-peer electronic system, cash system, as well as deliver a distributed data network that can support enterprise-level advanced blockchain applications. Woo! All right, so that's what Bitcoin SV is. If you believe in that, you want to use the platform for what it is, sure, go ahead. But I think the dollar price for it is going to be decreasing. You don't have to take my word on that. It's up to you what you do with your money. But for me, the only thing I would do if I had to be a part of this cryptocurrency would just be shorting it. But if you guys want to see what markets they're on, if you want to have some exposure to it, here's the list for it. I'll let you guys have it in the description box below. We'll get into some other details about it. Now, their main website is bitcoinsv.com, and I think their miner platform or miner website is bitcoinsv.io. If you guys want to learn more about the crypto, please check out their Twitter page with 14,900 followers. To me, Twitter is the best place to find news for cryptocurrency these days. But besides that, guys, head to our website, Andre McClendon. I am adding a trading system creator on here. So if you guys are looking at what indicators, similar to what TradingView has, but I would have it on my own platform the way I create it and basically create your own trading system. But also learn more about trading and economics on here too. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.